Yo, so finna get my hair cut. Fresh out the do-rag. I woke up this morning, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all get a little, see what it's looking like, but it'll be the end of an 11-week wolf. Yeah, so 11 weeks. 11-week wolf, man. I got tired of keeping my do-rag on, or making sure I kept it on. It's really hard to maintain, but you know what I'm saying, it is what it is. Matter of fact, I'm get a comb so I can show y'all. So check these out, right? 11 weeks. Should get them all hard. Oh, no. Might as well done something. No, seriously though. That's what I'm working with. You know what I'm saying? But ready to get this whole cut. It's getting a little too wild for me. I'm gonna hit up my barber. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Just letting y'all know this is the end of an 11-week wolf. When you see how long my hair is, it actually starting to look kind of nappy now, if you ask me, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Give it a good wash last night before I went to bed. Now, go to the barber, go ahead and get a cut. You know what I'm saying? He always get me right, so ain't nothing to worry about. Yeah, so when I get it cut, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna let y'all see how it's looking. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, just got back from the barber shop. You know what I'm saying? I gotta say, my barber always do me justice, man. Let me see if I can try to give y'all a better angle of what I'm working with right here, man. Hold on. I got horrible lighting here, so y'all have to bear with me. Like that. Alright, this should be good. Alright, this good, so let's say I let y'all see it, you know. That's what it is. End of an 11-week wolf. I'm gonna try to go for 12 more weeks after this cut. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but we're gonna try it, so there it is, man. Trying to be Wave King, you feel me? Close to the edge, hoping that don't fall off. Don't push me, a nigga might pop out. I'm ballin' on you niggas while the game on.